Today, I'm going to show you a powerful and natural treatment that helps reduce wrinkles, tighten your skin, and bring back that youthful glow on all using simple, natural ingredients you might already have at home. Let's begin with the first magical ingredient, orange peel powder. Orange peel powder is truly a blessing for your skin. Why? Because it's incredibly rich in vitamin C, which is known for brightening the skin and reducing signs of aging. It helps to even out your skin tone, lighten dark spots, and fight pigmentation. You'll notice how over time it can smooth out fine lines on your forehead, under your eyes, and even on your neck. So, how do we make this amazing orange peel powder at home? First, take some orange peels. Make sure they are clean and free from any chemicals. Let these orange peels dry naturally at room temperature for about 3 days. Don't use sunlight or artificial heat. Slow drying helps preserve the nutrients. Once fully dried, they'll turn crisp and easy to crush. Now take those dried peels and mash or grind them into a fine powder using a grinder or a mortar and pestle. This becomes our base ingredient. Next, we're going to add flax seeds to it. Take 4 tablespoons of flax seeds. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for the skin. They help reduce inflammation and keep the skin plump and nourished. Now add 1 tablespoon of green tea. Yes, green tea. Green tea is filled with antioxidants that fight free radicals, reduce puffiness, and protect your skin from aging. Grind all these ingredients together. You'll get a magic powder rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and skin-friendly nutrients. This powder smells great and works even better. You can store this powder for a long time if you keep it properly. Transfer it into an airtight jar or box and keep it in a cool, dry place. This way, it won't lose its potency. Now let's move on to preparing the anti-wrinkle treatment oil using this powder. Take a clean jar or glass bottle and add 200 milliliters of olive oil. Olive oil is incredibly moisturizing and rich in vitamin E, a powerful anti-aging ingredient. Next, add 2 tablespoons of almond oil. If you don't have almond oil, feel free to replace it with argan oil or coconut oil. Both are excellent for the skin and offer deep hydration. Now add 4 tablespoons of the powder we prepared earlier. This combination will now become a nutrient-rich oil that can work wonders on your skin. Mix everything thoroughly and close the bottle tightly. You can store this oil and use it for weeks. Let it ferment for 2 days. This step is important as it allows all the ingredients to blend and activate. Once it's ready, it's time to use this beautiful oil. This oil can be used in 2 different ways. The first way, apply a small amount of oil to your face, neck, and under the eyes. Use your fingertips and gently massage the skin for about 6 minutes in circular motions. This helps to stimulate blood circulation and improves absorption of the oil into your skin. After massaging, Let the oil stay on your face for 30 minutes. Then wash it off using a mild cleanser or lukewarm water. Don't forget to apply rose water toner afterward. It helps to balance the skin's pH. Finally, moisturize your skin with a lightweight moisturizer or a few drops of almond oil. The second method of using this oil is perfect for overnight treatment. Apply the oil gently all over your face and neck. Do a light massage. No need to overdo it. And then leave it on overnight. In the morning, wash your face thoroughly. After washing, apply a toner suitable for your skin type. Use this oil at least 4 times a week for best results. You'll start noticing the difference within a few weeks. Skin feels firmer, smoother, and more radiant. Now let me share another powerful recipe using the same powder. Take 2 tablespoons of the orange peel and flaxseed powder we prepared earlier. Add 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Yogurt is a natural exfoliant and helps to brighten and soften the skin. Then add 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey is antibacterial and deeply hydrating. Mix all these ingredients thoroughly until you get a smooth paste. This will be your anti-aging face mask. Apply this mask generously on your face, neck, and under the eyes. Let it stay for about 20 minutes. Once it dries, or with light massage using your fingertips, wash your face first with lukewarm water, and then rinse again with cold water to tighten the pores. Apply rose water toner afterward to calm and refresh the skin. And finally, moisturize your face and neck using almond oil or any good facial moisturizer you love. You can use this face mask 4 times a week. And yes, you can store the mixture in the refrigerator for up to 4 days if you have some extra left. Just make sure you put it in a clean, airtight jar to keep it fresh. This is a wonderful, natural mixture that supports healthy, glowing, and youthful skin. It's easy to make, affordable, and most importantly, free from harmful chemicals. Start using this today and bring out the best version of your skin, naturally.